An iroko in a community is a shelter, a legend in time and history. The Ogwibele Ancient Kingdom, Obaru Local Government Council, Anambra State, Southeast Nigeria, and the Onyema royal family convene an auspicious event of the Last of Allah celebration in honor of a legend, icon, and sage, His Royal Majesty Abogidi, Obalibo, Obulefi Mbwefi, Ngige Ngechi Uzo, Obuonye Mbosi Nduna Soyuso, His Royal Majesty Igwe Ogidiga Eze V.B.C. Onyema III, the revered patron of the prestigious Anambra State Traditional Rulers Council. According to the Last of Allah activities, esoteric traditional rites begin February 24th, Eke, till March 1st. On Nkwo Day, March 2nd, the grand reception of guests and celebration of the Last of Allah holds at the primary school field, Ogwibele, Obaru Local Government Area, Anambra State. Sunday, March 3, Thanksgiving service to give God all the glory. Join us in the historic event in honor of the legendary V.B.C. Onyema, Eze Onyema III, Ogalagidi, Abogidi, Obalibo. Signed, Barrister Prince Kenneth Onyema, Aje Ogwibele, for the family.